Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 20 of the Cougar Connection. We did have a short week at SMS this week because of the snow, but student learning continued through NTI on Thursday and Friday. And we do want to shout out to all those students who completed the Snow Volcano Challenge. We had several entries, I believe close to 40. So students, if you did the snow volcano and you did not submit it to your teacher, be prepared tomorrow morning to show Miss Wilson a picture of your snow volcano. All those students who participated will get a cosmic brownie and a piece of Cougar Flair. So this week upcoming at Simons Middle School, we have an admin team meeting on Monday at 2. New teacher induction will be at Ward from 4:15 to 5:15, and our basketball team plays it round. So far, Tuesday is open. We don't have anything on the schedule for that day. On Wednesday, we will have a basketball game at home versus Mason County. Thursday, T&I meeting will be at Central Office after school, and on Friday, we will have Bring It Friday as always. We also have scheduled our open gym with Mr. Brandenburg, so students, if you are interested in participating in that, please make sure that you get a permission form turned in to Mrs. High so that you are eligible to stay. We will also have BPI Focus on Friday, so students on Friday, instead of reporting to first period at 8 o'clock in the morning, you will need to report directly to homeroom, which is your second period class. This week, our student spotlight goes to 8th grade student and Blue Barracuda team member Caleb McIntyre. Caleb is both a standout student and athlete at SMS. He is kind, caring, and he is a wonderful role model to his peers. He is a quick master at any topic and is wise beyond his years. Caleb is a leader in the classroom, on the court, and on the field. He is always willing to help anyone during class and is frequently caught doing the right thing when no one is looking. Caleb holds the office of secretary of the school FFA organization and is active in their club events, traveling recently to the national convention and to the rodeo. He participates in sports year-round, playing baseball, football, and basketball, and he also spends his time in the off-season with the travel baseball team. Caleb is a great big brother to his younger brother, Kenton, and he is always kind and humble to his peers. He was named our Joe Allen Simons Outstanding Student for his team last school year, and there is no doubt that his name will be mentioned for years to come by both students and teachers alike. So congratulations, Caleb. I cannot wait to see the amazing things that you do, not only for the rest of your time here at Simons Middle School, but as a Fleming County Panther and in life. Caleb, thank you for always bringing it. All right, for our Achieve 3000 leaderboard for this week, we want to congratulate the following students. On Monday, Chloe Wright. Tuesday, Brianna Cooley. Wednesday, Brittany Riley. Thursday, Xander Ham. Friday, Hanley High. Our weekly top scorer was Hanley High this week, and the two students with the most activities at 75% or above on the first try was Hanley High with 6 and Avery Ishmael with 7. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.